up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. We just dropped off some stuff over at Swift Powder Coat. You can see they're pretty busy in the shop there. Probably couldn't see that, it's probably too dark in there. Can't wait to show you what they're powder coating for us. Well, actually for Chris's truck. I'm super stoked for him. Glad he decided to go with this, and I'm really curious as to see what it's gonna look like on his truck. Slash excited because I think we get to like chop his truck into pieces when we do it. So today's gonna be another kind of random day. We're gonna head over to the warehouse, and hopefully our good buddy Sergio has time to actually put these wires behind the dash where they go. I do got to give him a big thank you though. The other night he could have just left me high and dry. He got a call, he had to run home, but instead he made sure he like temporarily wired me up so both my mirrors and everything was fully functional. So hopefully today we can button that up, and then we got Brian coming over later, and we're gonna see if we can get his piece of junk offer up motorcycle deal figured out and running. I don't really know how this is gonna go. Oh, it looks like we got Black Dahlia over here at the warehouse already. And I just got confirmed we got a special guest coming. He's been on the channel a couple of times. We're gonna try this trick out. We're just gonna pull up to Sergio's and see if he just starts working on the truck. What's up, Sergio? What are you up to, buddy? You need me? You need me back on the assembly team?
Not anymore.
Oh, we got the last one?
Yeah, it's the last one. Well, two more.
Dang. You need me to rivet some stuff, dude? I'm the bet. Where's that rivet gun, dude? I'll crush it right there. Woo! Yeah, look at that. You hear that? You hear that? I did like 6 of those.
I want you to be the
You want me to be what?
You're the apprentice, right?
I'm the apprentice? Oh, is that why you didn't want to do it? I got to stand there and you're really trying to teach me to do this stuff, so man. You don't have to do it anymore?
Exactly.
Sergio, I'm trying to keep your lights on and your doors open, man.
Thanks, man.
No more mirrors?
No more mirrors. No, just kidding. I actually did a mirror on this one.
Oh, see?
Okay.
Here you go, Sergio. All right, I'll see you later, buddy.
Come over here, man.
Who makes that console? Sergio? Sergio makes it?
Oh, we'll start.
Sergio needs to start making those. Yeah, dude, if you can make those freaking PDUs, you can make that console no problem.
No problem.
Actually, not a bad setup for you, those guys that are running
yeah, actually,
the bench seats.
The original installer of these lights, before they met us, they installed all the switch box that you see right there.
Right.
It was on the left side next to the steering wheel. So every time they jump into the truck, they were hitting their knees, and all the time there was.
Yeah, there's no way to live. Here's what I learned from you, Sergio.
What?
I need a piece of some wire, thick gauge, and some lube, and I can get a wire anywhere on this truck.
The lube is the trick.
The lube is the trick.
All right.
All right, what do we gotta do, Sergio?
I'll record for you.
Oh, you're gonna record me?
Man.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
All right, the tables are turned, guys.
Let me jump into the other seat.
Okay,
right?
jump in the other seat.
Okay. All right, one-on-one.
One-on-one, all right.
So let's start.
Let's start, Sergio. All right, this is my lesson. What do we do?
Pull that wire little by little, like pull it out. Just go. Don't be afraid.
I'm afraid it's not. It's tight, Sergio. Hold on. Let me go this way. All right, I got it.
All the way. Now this side over too. Pull a little bit. Come on, pull it.
Sergio, you son of a gun, buddy. Really?
Yep. You're now done. Nice job, man.
Thanks, Sergio. Am I certified now?
You're certified. Done.
Hey.
Still working, right?
Sergio, you know, people don't pull pranks on me very often, man. That was a good one, Sergio. I've been watching these stupid things flop around every time I hit a bump, and I'm like, man, this looks like crap. I keep thinking there's a crack in my windshield because you can see the reflection.
You're done.
Done. Great work, Sergio. Thanks, buddy.
No problem.
All right. Well, hey, that was easy. What else do you need, Sergio? I can do this all day. Hold on. No, hold on. I got you. Let's get this one going. Hold on.
No.
What I just yank on this, right? I just yank on this and we're good. I'm over here like thanking you for, you know, making a temporary setup.
Do you actually record that part? That temporary setup and show it?
Yeah, I was talking about it. I was thanking you for, you know, spending the time to not leave me just hanging with the mirrors off.
That's sick.
What do you think, dude? Did you charge Chris for that windshield? Huh? That's probably the nicest part of the bike that you bought. So Brian brought some parts for his old hoopty he's got over here. Brian, we're gonna get this thing running good today? So what do we bring, buddy? We got
Well, I went at spark plugs, and I have the petcock and a new oil filter.
the other oil filter is probably great because there's no oil on the thing. It's probably never even seen oil. Well, hey, let's pull this thing out. Let's get the tank pulled. Let's swap the petcock so it doesn't leak anymore. He's got some throttle cables on order since these ones are all frayed and get stuck inside of the cables.
I just put it on the work for it account.
Oh, all right, perfect. Oh, we got our special guest pulling down the street. Wide turn. Ooh, that F450 looks good. Hey, buddy, what's up, dude?
What up?
All the way from Las Vegas, Nevada?
Yeah,
slash
buddy.
wherever the heck else you just went to pick all these things up?
All over San Diego.
You got my new Hyundai?
Yep.
Dude, appreciate that, bro. One for Chris and one for Wes.
Yep.
And we good?
Yep.
Dang, this thing looks good with the trailer behind it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, dude, this is, woo, look at them, look at that. Love those center caps, dude. Turned out sick. What wheels are these?
Big rig rims, Alcoas.
Gotcha.
They just got diamond cut.
I like them, dude.
Thank you.
Well, hey, speaking of the devil, I think we got, is that a Chris right there too? Oh, he about to just drive up on the ramp.
Got room for one more?
Yep.
No, we got you a Hyundai, dude.
No way.
Yeah, special delivery. What color you want?
Happy birthday.
Oh, thanks, man.
Man, that truck is so sick. I love the all blacked out F450s. I love most trucks that are all blacked out. It's just the maintenance on them sucks, and trying to hide scratches on them sucks. Let's see if he tags Fern's truck. Okay, got a backup camera on that trailer.
No, not yet.
Everybody, well, it was Dmax BJ.
Now it's Platinum Life.
Now it's Platinum Life.
Platinum Life.
Hey, let me get LYFE.
LYFE.
LYFE. So a lot of you guys have actually watched the Silver Denali video. So if you guys remember, he had the Silverado that he put the Denali front end on and converted like his whole truck over to, like, it was half Silverado, half Denali. A lot of you guys have been wondering why you can't find him on Instagram anymore. It's because that truck's gone. He's now in the Ford world.
Yeah, I done crossed over to the dark side. Hey, I love this truck. I can't lie. This truck is a beast.
So, do you mind if we tell your story a little bit? Because, you know, my whole goal with this channel is to inspire people to get out there, chase your dreams, and make money. Yeah, I mean, you were working a 9 to 5, right?
Yep. I was working a 9 to 5. I just got sick of it. Got tired. Wanted to be my own boss.
And you were already a driver, right?
I was already a driver. Yep, since 2011. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Had my A-class license for what? How many years is that? I don't know. A lot. So.
And what were you doing? You were doing was it asphalt or what?
I was working for a paving company in Las Vegas. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's some hot days out there.
Well, I mean, I was always in the truck. I never got out.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the trailer did everything for me. So,
Yeah.
So I just got sick of it. Wanted to be my own boss. No more union. So.
I know, like, we've kind of, you know, we're homies, so we've been
Yeah.
like following you along. At first, you went out and you bought the truck, then you were sourcing the trailer. I mean, kind of tell us how you went from working a 9 to 5 to becoming your own boss with your own transport company.
It's hard work. Stressful. I lost like 20 pounds worrying about that shit. You just gotta be dedicated, man. You just gotta, if you got a goal, set it and make sure you do it. But it was hard work finding the stuff and then getting my licenses and permits and everything. It was a job, but it paid off. It was worth it.
So how long you been doing it now?
Well, I've had my LLC for about 8 months, but I've been on my own for maybe a little over a month.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, clearly, I mean, that's dang near full trailer right there. It looks like
Yeah.
you know, things are working out for you.
Yeah.
You enjoy driving though, right?
Yeah, I don't mind it. Yeah.
Well, I mean, clearly you do. I remember you drove out to meet up with Eddie one day for like a $50 piece of plastic for your truck.
Yeah,
You drove all the way
and it
from
was the wrong
Vegas.
piece. Thanks,
And it was
Eddie.
the wrong piece.
Thank you, Eddie.
And Eddie gave you like 5 minutes of his time where you came and hang out with us all
Couldn't
day.
even buy me lunch, man.
Dang, Eddie, what's going on, bro?
Nah, Eddie's the boy, man. But no, it was cool. I don't mind driving, especially see the homies. You know, I ain't seen Christian in a minute. I ain't seen none of you guys in a minute. So
I don't get into personal finances of anybody, but I mean, auto transport pays well.
yeah,
Pays well.
Yeah, pays well. I'm not hungry no more. So
There you go.
yeah, it pays well and take care of my family. So
Good, man. Good.
So what's your furthest trip so far?
Florida. You went all the way to Florida?
I went to Florida to pick up that first trailer, the little 3-car trailer. But I just
where you got that.
that first one. Yeah. So now, I mean, the first I went since I've been hauling. Seattle. I just came back from Seattle last week.
Well, give us a little walk around of your trailer because I ain't seen this trailer yet.
Kaufman Mini 5. The person I bought it from, he extended it 3 feet in the back.
Gotcha.
He put hydraulic over electric brakes. I got disc brakes all the way around.
Nice.
He upgraded the wheels.
Those wheels are pretty sick too.
Yeah, he upgraded the wheels to 19.5s. They were 17.5, so I guess to hold the calibers and stuff like that. So heavy duty mesh. So basically the trailer's been upgraded all the way around. Man, I gotta measure how high that top car is.
That tall car's pretty high, dude.
Yeah, man. I cleared 14.6 though. I was screaming when I was going under the bridges.
So what are these? Are these dealership
These
vehicles?
are rental turnbacks.
Rental
So-
turnbacks?
Yeah, so they all have less than 12,000 miles on them.
All right, Chris, hop up there and measure, buddy. We gotta make sure BJ's safe.
That's all you, bro.
That's too high. Can't reach. Well, what are we taking guesses? Taking guesses.
I'm guessing.
That's like that's about 8 foot right there.
I say 13.
You think 13? All right, let's see. Oh, squeeze it by. We good right there? We'll go to that shark fin. A little hard to gauge to the fin there, but I'd say we're about safely 13.8, 13.9. Hey BJ, so I noticed the truck's still running over there. I've towed a lot in my days. I ain't never driven a gooseneck. I'm just saying, First I buttered you up with some candy.
Yeah, you tried to. That's why he gave me the Coke and the candy.
If he does anything, you have this one.
You got the BBB right there, so.
Man, I could probably sell that and replace everything right here.
There you go.
Well, hold on, and I'll throw in the bike if I wreck.
I don't know.
That's a deal right there. That's a genuine Virago. I know. They don't got them like that in Vegas.
All right.
Dang, look at that. This is a man that trusts me. Look at that. Chris used to do auto transport for a living. I need you. Yeah, he was a professional passenger seater. Welcome to Rhino's Auto Transport. Hey, we're a little close to the dumpster here, BJ.
Watch out! Fern's truck, man.
Oh, don't hit Fern's truck. All right, so BJ said it's gonna feel like it's gonna want to roll coming out of this driveway. We're gonna take it straight as long as we can here. Why are we gonna go that way? There ain't no out. So I don't know what the weight is on this trailer. BJ probably has a better idea of it, but I gotta say, I can see why a lot of guys use these 450s for long haul towing. It doesn't feel heavy back there.
You're already doing something wrong. You're going towards the tree. You gotta watch out.
Oh, we gotta watch out for trees? All right, we're gonna make the turn here. We're just gonna back her up in that driveway right there.
Freaking cheater.
That does nothing.
A little bit.
A little bit. All right, gotta avoid the tree. It's a good call, Chris. This is why you're the expert car hauler. They all came out to the street. We ain't got no train horn on this thing?
No.
Oh. All right, let's go see if we can get caught up in a parking lot.
Oh, no, where are we going?
What?
No, look at the tree.
Oh, the tree. All right, we're still learning. Trees are important.
Make a left at the light.
Make a left at the light? All right, we're going for a long haul right now. Dude, we don't hit these freaking stoplights? It's tall back there. This is what it's like to be long haul truckers, huh? Mm-hmm. You comfy?
Wait.
All right. Oh,
That's what I used to do.
yeah, so Chris actually did do auto transfer, what, for a couple of years, right?
For a year.
For a year with our good buddy Andre. How many snacks did you eat per trip?
Bro. A lot.
I think that's where you first got your title of Snack King, right? No more trees, Chris. I'm looking for trees. I'm learning here. No trees. Nervous going under freaking stoplights. The little address thing hanging down. So this 450 only has the 6-speed. We're in second gear now. We just shifted up to third. Guys, today we're gonna test the Ding Ding 3.0. Let's say the torque converter locked up at fourth gear here. What do you think, Big C? This thing actually drives really nice. I should probably adjust the seat, but I don't like adjusting other people's seats. Dude, we're in the world of cars right here. We should just pull over and see if we can pick some up. It's a little rocky when you stop. What?
Nice hat.
That is a nice hat. Nice hat, BJ. Don't want to curve the 19.5s. I think BJ's freaking out right now, thinking we stole the truck. We went a little further than we had planned here. Chris yelled at me to not hit trees, so we had to go the long way. Chris really wanted me to go this way because he wants to see me make a tight right turn into traffic. You don't think I got it?
We'll see.
I might do it from that lane, but I'm gonna film and make this turn. Oh, we got this. No problemo, buddy.
Oh, we're turning, not going straight.
We're turning. You gotta go straight first, then you turn. Look at that. Easy, easy. Didn't scratch the wheels.
Filming you, filming me.
We'll put it right back where BJ left it. BJ, did I make you nervous, dude?
Yeah, you gone for like 20 minutes, man. I was kind of like, man, where the fuck is he at? Did he hit something?
Hey, I was gonna turn into that parking lot. Chris reminded me you gotta worry about trees.
Yeah.
Trees is a thing, so then we had to go make a bigger loop instead of turning in the...
No, I trusted you. I mean, it would just been, I would have to change the name, but I would have just took the company, you know, on the YouTube page and everything.
I hear you. Well, you know. Hey, listen, I can get like the length and the width of a truck and trailer, all that. I'm no problem. I get used to, but I will never get used to like ducking under stuff, man.
Yeah, dude. Like before I came on my way here, because I didn't know the height. I'm just like, when I got to 14.6, I was like, I was waiting to hear the noise.
Thanks, Fern. Uh-oh, it broke. This is everybody drive everybody else's stuff day.
You said he couldn't do a burnout.
You want to try and wheelie Chris's bike next?
No, I don't fuck with bikes.
So one of the issues we're alleviating today is this super sweet drippy petcock that you can see is puddling up some gas on the floor. The good news is gas is going through it though. This thing no longer rubbing on a carb cleaner like when Brian bought it. You know, Brian, I hate to be that guy, but that don't look like that. In fact, that is very different. This is like off of a dirt bike. Yeah. This one's got all kinds of extra hoses and stuff coming out of it, buddy. Well, guys, looks like we're not gonna get this thing much done to it today. I guess we'll just keep the leaky one, but at least we'll get some new spark plugs. Bro, you paid $10 for those things?
$10.
All right, well, you got a lot of stuff to transfer there.
$10 is $10. No, I was just looking.
Dang, Bri.
No.
Are we in like 007 now with those bars on that thing? Is that a Sportster?
Right?
Nice, dude.
What?
It looks better. It looks better. All right, Bri. She's got new bars. She's bound to run better now. And spark plugs. We do got new spark plugs. Oh, that's a good sign, dude. No carb cleaner. Whoa!
You got a leaker over here.
All right. She's running. She's moving, man. Fern, you want to buy this thing right now? What do we got to do to get you on this bike today, Fern?
I mean, you gotta give it a better seat.
Dang, dude, that thing like leaks. Yeah, this is a little more than a leak.
Yeah.
Oh, no. She still don't like when you give her throttle. Fire's right up though. I think I'm a motorcycle mechanic. We're getting too much air. If we cut some of the airflow off. Now she revs up. Oh! Dediku! Hold on,
Oh,
Brian,
you missed it.
Spray some more in there. Hurry up, Fern, buy it! Buy it before it stops working.
$2.
Oh, imagine you cruising on this thing, put it in the back of Brisket here.
Bro.
We'll send it home with you today.
It even matches.
All right, y'all, everybody has gone home for the night. So with that, we're gonna wrap up as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like if you hit a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah.